Okay, so this is the type of property that we're going to have a look at, and we're going to have a look at the effect of putting cavity wall insulation in this type of property. So as you can see, it's a brick built property, it's an end terrace, the wall thickness is 300 millimeters, and you can see that 3 sides of this building are exposed. Okay, so that's going to have a bit of an effect, and then you've got a party wall on that side. So it's 2 stories, and then it's got some small amount of insulation in the roof as well. But we're not looking at that, we're looking at the cavity. Okay, so 3 bedrooms upstairs, a living room and a kitchen diner downstairs. So it's not a huge property, but it's got quite a bit of exposed wall, and it's a standard sort of size property. So I wanted to have a look at this. So what we'll do is we'll go to the ratings. Let's have a look at the results. So at the moment, with everything that I've put in, it comes out as a D. So it's currently 66 points. Okay, so it can potentially be go up to a B with all these recommendations, but we're not looking at that. We're looking at cavity wall insulation. So like I say, it's on a D and it's 66 points, so it needs to be 69 or above to be a C. So as a landlord next year, you will need to get your properties up to a C. So we're just looking at different ways of being able to do that. So let's have a look at the walls. Okay, so at the moment we've got cavity, we've got as built, so it's assumed that there is the cavity is unfilled, and the wall's 300 mil, as I've said before. So what we're going to do is we're going to select filled cavity. Okay, and all we're going to do is have a look at the results and see how that's affected things. Now, as you can see, it was on 66 before, and now it's added 4 points, and that's brought it up to 70, which now makes it a C. So that's the difference between cavity wall insulation and not having cavity wall insulation. Okay, so if there's any more things that you'd like to see, any kind of changes that we can make, I'm happy to put in your property details if you want to give me some information on your property, and we can find out what we can do to change your energy rating, or what you can do to change your energy rating. So this is based on this is based from July 2023. So the way this program runs is the kind of program working in the background does change, the algorithm changes, and the way the government plan things, do things, make it change how the energy rating is effective. So obviously in a few months time it could make it could change the number of points if you put cavity wall insulation in, but this is as of July 2023. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.